Hey everybody. So for today's quick tip, we're going to take a look at controlling your 3D toolpath and using depth options. Let's dive right in. If we look at our part here, you can see we have some toolpath contained by a boundary, but you'll also notice that the toolpath is touching this top surface here, and then it rolls over and comes down. Now we may not want it to do that, and this is one way you can use your depth options in order to limit where the toolpath is being generated. We'll go over to our feature and edit. From here, we'll go to the parameters tab, and then down to the depth option. And then what we want to do is turn on our top of job, and then we're going to pick this location. All right, so we're going to just pick on this top edge, and then we'll choose OK. And that will tell us where the top of that job is. And then what I'm going to do is just subtract the radius of our cutter, and then we'll recompute. You'll see how now the toolpath drops down below that top surface there, still staying contained within our boundary. This is a very easy setting you can use in your toolpath to control where the toolpath starts cutting and where it ends cutting, and I recommend you give it a try.